2020 has definitely been an unprecedented year.
Companies everywhere are trying to figure out how to deliver experiences in this new reality.
What are you either uniquely or differentially capable at providing? What's the thing that you do better than anybody else?
We have gained some critical insights.
Digital technology that we and other companies create are really indispensable tools to help address the crisis.
Each startup will pitch for 3 minutes in front of our panel of judges with no Q&A. It's about the pitch after all.
You can have the words written in different fonts. It's a great idea.
We have to rethink our systems now during this crisis. Build back better, build back green. These are the things we need to be talking about right now.